Hey, what's up, y'all? It is Thais here. So, it has been a week and a half since I did my silk press, and this is how my hair is looking. I'm so surprised it lasted this long. I thought it would have reverted faster because it was actually rainy this week. I've been to the gym like at least 3 times, 3 to 4 times this week. I sweated from my roots, and it's not looking bad after all. My roots did revert, as you can see, but overall, my hair stayed straight. So, I'm going to be showing you how I revert my natural hair back to being afro and kinky after a week and a half of wearing it straight. So the number one thing you're going to need to revert your hair is water, of course, and then I will be following up with my protein treatment as my pre-poo and some sectioning clips just to make it easier to part my hair. So I'm starting with the first quadrant of my hair, and I'm using my spray bottle to get my hair really wet. So we're not going for damp hair. We want our hair to be soaking wet before applying that protein treatment to it. So I'm just spraying that water very, very generously on that section. And I'm not gonna lie, as I'm spraying it, I felt a little bit scared. I was like, okay, is this hair reverting or what? But I realized that it just took a little longer than I thought. And as I kept playing with the hair and just fiddling with it, spraying more water on it, I realized my texture started to come back. So my hair has to be super drenched. So I got a good silk press. My hair is definitely getting used to the heat. It's not reverting as fast as it usually does, but this is how it looks. So I'm just using my fingers to rake my hand through it just to massage those curls so that they can come back, and they are surely coming back. I was just so happy, y'all, and I just felt a big relief. But I actually expect my hair to come back because I did a good job at prepping my hair for my silk press, which I showed in my previous video what I do on the wash day before I use heat. So right here you can see the kinks are fully back, not 100%, but we are going to be moving on to the next step. And this is the comparison shot right here. This is how it looked before I went ahead and applied some water. And this is after drenching my hair with water, allowing it to revert. And the elasticity is back in my hair. Look at that. I am just so happy to see my 4C natural hair back. Okay, so now I will be following up with my protein treatment. So this is the ApHogee 2-minute reconstructor, and this is going to repair those bonds, tighten them up so that my hair can fully make a 100% comeback to its natural state. So protein is great for filling in the crack in the hair bonds, and it just revives your hair after you use heat, chemicals, any type of harsh service that you do to the hair that puts the hair at risk for damage. So I'm just applying that 2-minute reconstructor generously from the ends to the roots in section, and I can already feel the health of my hair coming back. So this product softens my hair and it strengthens my hair in one step. That's what I love about it. I used to always use this product when I had relaxed hair, and it did wonders for my relaxed hair. So I'm so happy to have it back in my regimen now that I am using heat sparingly. So right here you can see more of my texture. So the longer you leave this on, the more your hair is going to revert. But this is a quick protein treatment, so you don't have to leave it on longer than 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max. I left it on because I had to do the rest of my hair. But yeah, so I'm moving on to the back section, and you can see a big difference in the straightness of my hair compared to the part we just reverted. Following that same process, generously drenching that hair with water giving it some hydration after a week and a half of not having much water to it, even though it did rain. So my hair got a little bit of sprinkles here and there, and I'm surprised it didn't revert. I'm really surprised. So yeah, my hair is coming back again. The back is starting to look so lush. This is just so satisfying, y'all, just seeing my hair revert in real time, and just the feeling of it going from feeling really straight and airy to it being fluffy and thick and kinky again. So now I am applying a generous amount of that 2 minute reconstruction on the back section. And this is how my hair looks. So instantly, this product doesn't really feel like the typical protein treatment. It makes my hair really, really soft and manageable upon applying it, but it adds a lot of strength to my hair. So my hair feels super strong, but it feels really soft and manageable at the same time. So it does a great job at adding both strength and then adding that elasticity to the hair with that moisture. So I don't have to follow up with another step with this compared to the other two-step treatment. So my hair feels so soft, manageable. Look at those kinks. They are coming back to life, being revived. I'm so happy to see them after a week and a half. So after rinsing out the treatment, I did go ahead and shampoo my hair, and this is the final results of my 4C hair being back like it never left. Like, I cannot even tell that I did a silk press, y'all. My hair looks so good. It looks so healthy, so juicy, and I am ready to go ahead and style it, wear it nice and natural now after wearing a silk press. So this is the result of prepping my hair properly the wash day before with protein, with a great deep moisturizing deep conditioner, and also the measures I took after that silk press to immediately add protein back to my hair. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. So happy to have my hair back. I hope that you try these techniques and steps to bring your hair back to life after a silk press. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos.